OnePunch ALGO channel. So today I'm gonna demonstrate how to use OnePunch ALGO Momentum Indicator version 3 on gap and go stock or breakout stock in pre-market. So let me explain this setup first. So the link to this setup, you guys can copy it. It's in my description. So there are two charts. It's the same stock, the same time frame. So if you see here, I have the symbols the same, intervals the same, crosshairs the same, and the date range is the same. And then on the right hand side, I have Heikin Ashi, candlesticks, and there's this, and then on the left side I have normal candlesticks. So when I do trades, basically buy sells trades, I use Heikin Ashi signal from OnePunch ALGO. So basically if it is uptrend, it's the buy, if it is downtrend, it's the sell. And again on the right hand side I use normal candlesticks to verify my trades, the situations and all, but mostly the Heikin Ashi is what I go with, because Heikin Ashi there's less noise when compared to the normal candlesticks. So that's that. And then the time frames, I normally go with 2 or 3 minutes. If you go with 1 minute or so, you can get a lot of noise, but it's up to you guys. Whatever the strategy you want, you can go even 5 minutes as well and do the trades. And if you want to do 2 minutes like me, let's do that here. And then I have shut down the extended trading hours, because I want OnePunch ALGO to be starting from 9:30 instead of the pre-market data. So when it's doing that, then it's accurately predict the buy and sell signals throughout the day and on gap and goes as well. The other thing is here I want to basically use hotkeys, because I'm using Webull as my broker, and Webull does allow hotkeys. So basically if I click Shift and B on my keyboard, then it buys about 1,000 stocks. If I do Shift S, it just sell market whatever the stocks I own for this particular stock. So that's my whole setup here. So let me explain how you read these signals. So in Heikin Ashi, when the OnePunch ALGO shows this signal, it basically means that here is when you get to buy, and you can confirm it from the normal candlestick as well. So let's say you brought it around here with the market order, or maybe a limit order is fine as well, and then right about here I do the same. The reason is, let me explain that. If you guys remember my OnePunch ALGO version 1 plugin with yellow candles and outside green, followed by a yellow candle outside red, I usually save. But with OnePunch ALGO Momentum 3, it is the case if the red line is still above the green line. So I would wait. I would sell before before the sell signal happen. So this is where my sell order gonna happen. So that's pretty much a 5 or 6% profit. If you want, you can actually when it went to like 11% or 12%, you can also sell. It's up to you. Also, you can use the normal candlestick as well to do the decision on selling. So in this case, let's say I sold it here. Okay, let's check any other situations if we can make a profit. All right. So here again, there's a buy signal, red line and green line is above, and that's actually the signal is touching the red line. So that's, you have to be careful when that happens. You must always have a stop loss. So I would do a stop loss around, let's see, somewhere around here. All right, so let's see, I brought it there, and then the first signal happened to be at there 4%. So here you get 6%, and there you get 4%. That's a 10% before 11, actually before 12. So that's how you get to use OnePunch algo. I normally don't do trades much after 12 o'clock because of many reasons. So if you wanna do, you can. You guys have to be very careful and having stop losses as well. And the best part is, if you're doing some other work after 12, make sure to put alerts with OnePunch algo. That way it will indicate if a buy order happens to your mobile phone and also for your browser, and it will also notify using a notification on the app, or it can also send you like a sound like that for 5 seconds. So you do that. My strategy normally, always I have the date of the trade end day. So for an example, this RNLX skyrocketed on Friday, June 30. So if that's the case, I would put the alert expiration to June 30, 4 p.m. Eastern time. So that's that. And then how to read this, you just take this out, and basically strategy order action means it will let you know if it is buy or sell. You can actually read this information here, what these placeholders are mean. So ticker is basically the stock. You don't need the exchange, you do need the close. So you can also edit it according to whatever you guys want, but here's what I will have, and it will indicate if it is a buy or no. So let's check the other stocks that went up on the day. So my strategy, normally I like to check 6 pre-market stocks before 9:30 a.m. before the market open. So I start at 7, set up my charts. So I have 6 charts like this, 1, 2, and 6 more on the other monitor. So I watch them from 7 to 9:20 and make a decision on which stock that I'm going to keep watching. But I do put alerts for all 6 of them. That's the key. And the other part, like I mentioned, I don't have the extended trading hours, because if you use extended trading hours with OnePunch ALGO, what it does, it will try to take the previous like the morning data. So when it takes the morning data, it doesn't give you the buy signals when it opens. So it is giving way before the things happen. So that way, if you want to do that, you can do it as well. But the problem with this setup, you cannot use hotkeys for easy buy and sell, because my broker doesn't allow hotkeys on limit on pre-market. So therefore, I'm not doing any trades at pre-market. So I always go with regular hours. So if this is helpful for you guys, or if you guys need any training on using how to use OnePunch ALGO Momentum Indicator version 3, go to my website onepunchalgo.com, write using contact us, asking for one-on-one training. I will be more than happy to do some training on how to use the algo indicator on TradingView. Also, everything that I'm saying here is not financial advice. This is pure technical indicator that I build and explaining on how to use it. So thank you very much for watching. I will next video I will show how to do day trades on bigger stocks like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and normally you can make like 50 cents to $1 a day. Let's say you have 100,000 on stock like Amazon, so you can get like 900 or 800 stocks. So $1 means $800 profit on that day. So that's the strategy that can be used on that. So I will explain how to do that as well. So thank you very much. Please subscribe. It will motivate me to build more and more videos. I do have a ton of knowledge on these indicators and how to utilize this properly. So thank you very much. See you again.